In this quick lesson, we're going to talk about graphing with transformations. So this video is going to help you with skill 4A, which is graphing a square root function. So the first thing is, what does the basic square root function look like? So if I want to graph the square root of x, we can always graph something by plugging in values. So if I plug in 0, 1, and 4, I get these 3 points and just connect them in a way that makes sense. So the important thing with the square root function is there's nothing to the left of the graph, and it just kind of goes up slowly to the right. And when you're doing transformations, you have a number on the inside. Right, this number next to x is going to move you to the left and right, and the number on the outside is going to move you up and down. So the way to remember this is the number next to the x moves you in the x direction, left and right. The number away from the x moves you up and down in the y direction. So in this example, we have an x plus 3. All right, this plus 3 is going to move our graph left 3, so this dot's going to move 1, 2, 3 to the left. And the minus 2 moves our graph down 2. All right, so our new starting point goes from here to here. And you see we draw the exact same shape as before, this square root shape. In this example, we have x minus 2. So the minus 2 is going to move us in the x direction to the right. So we're going to start at our starting point and move to the right 2. And this plus 1 here is going to move us up 1. So our starting point moves right 2, up 1. We start here. And again, we have the same square root shape. And lastly, x plus 3 plus 2. We have our starting point. That x plus 3, so near the x, is going to move us in the x direction, left and right. It's going to move us left 3. And then the plus 2 is going to move us in the y direction, up 2. All right, so we move left 3, up 2. That's our new starting point. And then again, we just have our same square root shape every single time, going in that kind of curve to the top right. All right, so that's a quick review. All right, and now you're ready for this skill.